na package onwe go ofoma. This generation but packaging. Listen to me. Contact is by packaging. The package one no way pia igabafia. Let me tell you what packaging is all about. This can water in Ango, Jena Minlo, Deban Elianes place. How much are they selling it? 300. Then go to something like a Best Western or Golden Trip. Go to buy the same water there. Now the same water. Now the same ever water, not it. Now the same aquafana. Aquafana. But because on your packaging here, they check it up your water. You about 3,000. The same can water you buy 300 naira. Go to these two places where they will sell it 3,000 for you. Packaging. They can work and check on one. A man I see man to see. And I check in another. I got faggy nesi can be. Or for them one boga like this. Or mad that na one in a crazy wood that hair. One in a crazy wood that hair. A loga na pomoromolo. Not you China to appear. A dequaka chimpanzee. One ye bafia bobala bobake eda even ne kuma boga. Am I sure you get me? Uma boga bafia megeni apobala boba. Aneliele. Ichoka ne choke siganya pia. Itinya different colors of bulb. We tinye siangwa fiage. Iwanya light one motu apia. Onye bione light ya hanyo ne fedinimia. Light ya na donya jona sabi. Watch ya yepo beba na. Am I sure you hear me? Look well and dress well as a young girl. Kiwe bute ngwa afia na ben naga. Look well. No wonye no na kokugo na eche ko nisi oma. Iyo onye ahụ sị ọkwa maka no ka ka nọ ọ bụ no ka mbe kunikwa n'ocha o inesi ba mbia bụ na mekasa depesa perfume na alọghe onye anọdụ nwa ndị ya bụ ọnọdụ ebe ọ na ụnụ kanka amaka ndị na ebe a na-esikwa gbogbo ajeda same onye abịa be chipi o change kwa nke ya ọ sị mba maka na eje ediri perfume ifu ka ndị ade. Many of you are not ready today, all the way you are dressing. The next thing to the godliness is neatness. It is not problem, Gapata, and the modern our balloons of water. Sonia and the modern our balloons of water. You want a problem, get and the modern Baba also. Or what are you associated with? Or one I like a problem. Man, you dress your way, Pata.